Hello people, in this video we'll see how to align text in a cell, merging and data types. We have a text in a cell where it is located one side of the cell. This doesn't look so good. I want to change this text to center of the cell. Next, we have cells like this. Out of these cells, I need to combine two cells into one cell as shown here. This is called merging of cells. Next, we have some numbers and want to convert these numbers to currency or adding decimals or changing date format, etc. I will show you how to perform all above operations by using mouse and with some of the shortcuts to avoid mouse usage. Let's go to Excel. I am entering some text. By default, the text will come left side of a cell. To change this alignment, first select the cell. Then go to Home tab. Under Alignment, you have multiple options like Top Align, Middle Align, Center Align and so on. Now I am choosing Middle Align. See the text aligned vertically to center. Now let's align horizontally to center. For that, again go to Home tab, then click on Center. See, now the text got aligned horizontally to center. You can align your cell text to center, middle, left or right as well. We have one more option called Orientation. By using this Orientation option, you can change the text angle. First, select the cell. Then, click on this Orientation drop-down. Select any one option. I am choosing the vertical text. See, the text has been changed to vertical. We have multiple angles in this. You can use other angles also based on your requirement. You can choose the customized angle as well. First, select the cell. Then click on this Orientation drop-down. Then click on Format Cell Alignment. A new window will open. Here, right side you can see Orientation panel. Here, down enter the degrees value. Then click OK. I am entering 35. OK. See, the text angle has been changed. To align text center of a cell, you can use shortcut as Alt-H-A-C. First, select the cell, then press Alt-H-A-C. See, the text got aligned to horizontally center. To align the text to vertically middle, you can use shortcut as Alt-H-A-M. First, select the cell, then press Alt-H-A-M. See, the text got aligned to vertically middle. You can see here we have two more options. These two are Indent Changes. By using these two, you can move the cell content away from borders. The right side button will move the content to right away from the left side border. The left side button will move the content to left away from the right side border. Select the cell, then click on these buttons. See, the text is moving away from the left side border. In real-time operations, we use this very rarely. Now, we will see text wrapping. Wrapping of text is nothing but breaking one line text display to multiple lines to fit into one cell. We have a text here. It is overlapping on adjacent cells. To remove this overlapping, go to Home tab. Under Alignment, click on Wrap Text. See, the overlapping has been removed. Note, we are not breaking a line into multiple lines. Just the display is getting changed based on the cell width. Suppose if you increase the width of the cell, it will display in one line. For wrapping a text, you can use a shortcut Alt-H-W. First select the cell, then press Alt-H-W. See, the text overlapping has gone. Next, here we have some data, fruits and vegetables. These three belongs to fruits category. Now, I want to place a heading for these three as fruits. If I type heading here, it looks like applying header only for apple. But I need to apply one header for these three. How can you do that? For this, we'll use cell merging option. In cell merging, we'll combine multiple cells into one cell. Now we will match these three cells. Then the header will be applied to all these three. First, select three cells. Then go to Home tab and click on this Merge and Center. See, now the cells got combined and formed one cell. We can use a shortcut to merge cells. Select the cells, then press Alt HMC. This will merge cells and align text to center. Another shortcut, Alt HMM. This will merge the cells but not align text to center. We can remove this merging. Select the merged cells, then go to Home, click on this drop down. Then choose Unmerged Cells. See, we have removed the combine. You can do this by using shortcut Alt HMU. First select the merged cell, then press Alt HMU. See, unmerging is done. Now we will see working with different number data types. In Excel, we can convert a number into different types like currency, date, percentage, etc. Here I have a number like this. I want to add a currency symbol to this. To make that, first select a cell, then go to Home tab. From this drop down, select the currency you want. You can divide the numbers with comma using its base value like hundreds, thousands, etc. Select the cell, then press on this comma button. This is about converting number from one data type to another. To open more options on this number formatting, use shortcut Ctrl+1. First select the cell, then hold the Ctrl key. Now press one number. A new window will open. You can see different formats like general, number, currency, etc. Each of these will have further options. If you select accounting, it has option to enter number of decimal. Based on this, the number will get decimal places. I am choosing 3 decimals. Click OK. See, now the number added with 3 decimals. Like this, you can choose any data type and convert the number. Let us see with one more example. I have a date like this, 1/1/2020. I want to convert into 1st January 2020. To do that, first select the cell, press and hold the Ctrl key. Now press 1. In this window, select the date, then under type, select the format you need. I am selecting this format. Click OK. See, the format has been changed. Please note that if you don't choose the date format, then it will be shown as number. Suppose I have this date. If I choose number type, this will become number. So even the date is a number. To convert this again to date, choose the data type. We'll see one more example for this number data type. Here I have 0.5 in the cell. This is equals to 1 divided by 2 in fractions. I can change this 0.2 fractions like 1 by 2. First, select the cell, then go to Home tab. From this number format drop down, select the fractions. See, the 0.5 has become 1 by 2. So like this, we can convert a number into different data types. This will just change the display. So far, we have seen text alignment, cell merging, and data types for number. The shortcuts we used in this video are Alt HAM is to align text to center vertically, Alt HAC align text to center horizontally, Alt HMM is to merge cells, Alt HMU to unmerge cells, Alt HMC is to merge cells and align text to center. Ctrl+1 is to access different number data types. So that's all about this video. We'll see further concepts in our next videos. Any suggestions, please comment below.